Hello everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. This is a very quick video. I just want to show how a person can put two inserts into something with one string. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what I mean. So I made a journal and I put only one string um on it, like this one right here, and I put it in the shop. And I was thinking to do a video where I can show how a person could put two inserts in it if they wanted to, because you don't always need to have two holes to put two inserts. And I forgot where I learned it from some time ago, because some of the inserts, some of the journals that I'm putting in my shop will have two holes. At some point, some of them will have three for six inserts. Um, I'm just working on some things. But then some will have one hole, right? Which I think is good because it put less wear and tear on the vinyl. But so let me show you what I mean. So okay, so for example, this one right here is, this has more than one string. This has this has three, but I can still show it to you um for one string. So that's why I said okay, this is cool. All right, so okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Take this out. Okay, so, and I'm gonna put this to the side. I got some. I should have took this stuff beforehand, but that's okay. All right, so now, um, and I'm gonna also take these out because I want to show you clearly what I mean. Okay, so now I have these two inserts, right? Let me make sure I stay in frame. I have these two inserts. But suppose the journal only has one string. Suppose you get a journal that only has one string. So ignore all of this because of course this has more than one string. But in the event that it has only one string, like this. So I'm being very clear here. One string. And okay, so it's one insert in here. I could have showed you with this, but I didn't because I didn't make another small insert yet for this. So anyway, okay, so there's one string, right? So what you can do is make um, another um, unified string, right? You tie it so it's a hole now, right? Right? So it's closed. There's no opening. But you make sure that it could fit inside the book, of course. Right? You don't want it to be so long where it's hanging over. You want it to fit. Now, this can be done with a non-elastic string, but I don't think it's best to do that. I no, I can't say I don't think it's best to do that because it's possible. You can just do it. It doesn't have to be elastic, but you know when it's elastic, you have the give, right? And so when I send out, if someone buys the journal that I make with one string, I think with all of them I'll probably include some elastic and put a little note on there saying what it's for if they want to actually use two inserts for one string. And you can use more than that. You can get creative. So let me show you how you would do this. So here are the two inserts, right? So I'm going to put this string in the middle here. Let me find the middle part. Okay, so here's the middle of the journal. I mean the insert. I'm sorry, sometimes I say journal. I mean the insert inside the journal, right? So I have that. So I actually think I want to, yeah. Okay, there we go. So that's this way, right? Now I'm going to put the other one like so in the middle as well. I'm going to put the, you see how this is like this, right? Now I'm going to go ahead and put it like this. So now you have it like this. You see that? Okay. So now they're both together because that one string, you put one here, one here. And you see this one's a little tight, so it's going into that. But that is paper insert. So, you know, some things are to be expected. But you can make the strings bigger. A little bigger. Not, like I said, not hanging over, right? But that one was kind of extra tight. So now what you do is you take the one string and now you put it in between. You're going to slide it, the inserts into the strings like this. And you want the string to fall right here. So now, look at that. You got two inserts on one string. Isn't that awesome? I think that is so awesome. That you can have more than the one insert on the one string. Just by looping the two inserts together and then inserting it in the journal which has the one string, or a journal that has more strings but you want to attach more inserts to a string. So if I have 3 strings in this journal like I do, I can actually end up putting 6 inserts into one this one journal. And some people know how to get more strings in there with 3 holes. So I thought that was worth showing. I'm going to actually be taking this video, and I think sometimes, depending upon the dimensions, putting it in on the shop in that video and naming it how to put 2 inserts on one string. Because you know, sometimes the notebooks, these traveler notebooks and journals that we make and buy and sell, is sometimes it just has one string. So that would help the person, you know, be able to fit more into their journal if they so wish to. Even though, like, sometimes some journals, the more you put, the more you're going to get the bulk out because you're expanding it. So that's it. So with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.